This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. Today I'm going to be giving you 3 more productivity tips for Google Docs. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. Here is Google Docs, and in an earlier video I had 4 productivity tips, and then I realized I had actually 3 extra productivity tips that are pretty important. So the first one is sharing, and I think Google has implemented this far better than Microsoft has for sharing Word documents. Basically, open up the Google Doc and then just click the share button. And you'll be able to add people to the document just by typing their name and doing that.